Walking down on a wet Saturday afternoon to check on things. Whoops, almost tripped.
You almost tripped and I slipped. Whoa, I rhyme.
We have had steady rain for several days now. And okay,
this isn't that bad. I mean, it's got a bunch of water in it. It doesn't look like the back's going to sink into the bottom.
Well, it's not going to sink anytime soon, but need to get in these boats and get them pumped out. I think if I will go down to my boat and get the bilge pump, we could make this work. And normally, we don't see just a single seagull
Floating backwards.
floating backwards.
Eating. What are you doing, puppies?
Okay, seagull, you're on camera. Do something spectacular. Do something Alaskan. No, he's too busy pecking insects off the surface of the water. Just remember, in the bush, rain or shine, chores must be done. And if you're prepping to go into the bush, make sure that one of the things that you do have is rain gear. Well, some strange weather we're having around these parts here of late. Moments ago it was raining. Now the clouds are kind of parting and we've got a little bit of sunshine. I'm headed down to the boats to get them pumped out because we have to make a post office run first thing tomorrow morning, and we're going to have to leave out very early. The weather service says we can look for temperatures around 40 degrees on July the 8th. 2024. That is going to be a chilly boat ride. Well, good morning. As they say in the movie industry, third time's charm. At least I think that's what they say in the movies. I don't really know. But for the third time, we're going to attempt this. It's July the 8th. And we woke up to a 40-degree temperature this morning. Now, we're going to leave out in just a few moments. We're going to be in an open boat on the Tanana River. And that's going to be a little bit chilly, but I think everything's going to go fairly smooth. So we'll see. The one thing for certain, he is ready to go. Aren't you? Ready to go? Well, coming back here doesn't get you gone any faster.
This is giving way here.
Yeah, I got it. No, it's all right. I was hoping it would dig into the bank and then that would turn the bow around and we'd be headed down river. Yeah, I know. How fast are we going? 14. Whee!
Average 13 the whole way, except for that little spot where you end up going around because you almost went home.
Right. Oh, well.
But so I guess one of the things I should be looking for are those big boils, because those boils are what cause you to lose control of the boat.
Yeah.
I mean, I hadn't actually seen them, but I wasn't paying attention because we've always had no problem, but not with this.
Well, no trip to Manley Hot Springs would be complete without a stop at the Manley Roadhouse. This historic site has some of the best food you can imagine. Michelle and I will get orders to go, and later tonight, after we get home, we'll enjoy a good dinner.
I didn't know they had layers.
Finally, we are leaving the boat launch, headed upriver, probably at around 5 miles an hour. I'm not really sure that we're that fast. Michelle will be able to tell here in just a little bit. But we are loaded down with tubs and tubs and boxes of mail, along with other things. 5 miles per hour. Yep.
How am I going to get over there?
Hold on. Shoot. Oh, this ain't gonna work.
I'm not ready for this. It's just going to trim us.
Yeah, I know. I'll get us around. Let us straighten out and get over here.
I thought you were going to get us to the bank.
I was trying to.
Well, guess we'll float.
No. No. Boy. Come on. Get us around here. Whoa. Try this one more time. Yeah. You can step on the boat. Hold on. Well, we made it back okay yesterday, and unfortunately at 5 miles per hour, it took us about 4.5 hours to go 23 miles. We did slow down to 2.5 miles per hour there for just a little bit due to the fact that we hit a bend in the river that was moving extremely fast. So that's slowed us down a little bit. But like I said, we made it back okay without incident. And it started raining last night, and it has not stopped all day today. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you on the flip side.